To effectively eradicate urine from carpet, we must understand its complex pH nature. When fresh, urine is acidic with a pH of approximately 5 to 6. As it dries and ages, it changes to an alkaline crystal and emits the well-recognized ammonia odor. The pH changes to over 11, which is enough to damage natural fibers. The pH of 11 is of no coincidence that it is close to what ammonia itself is. Successful urine remediation involves the eradication of this extremely resistant uric crystal. As it dries, the uric crystal encapsulates the bacteria and the odor also diminishes. However, as soon as it becomes moist again, just from humidity in the air, the malodor will return. There are three paths to tackling urine: the decontamination, odor neutralization, and the stain. Sometimes they can be conquered in the same step, and often the stain is removed when decontamination is effected. To dissolve the uric crystal, you can either use an organic acid such as PET and flood, or use a bioenzyme, sometimes called bacterial enzymes like diazyme. The treatment breaks down the uric crystal, which exposes the encapsulated bacteria to eradication by the bactericide or the bioenzyme. The dissolved crystal can no longer emit the ammonia-like odor, and they're also readily flushed away. For severe cases, more than one treatment may be necessary. By using odor neutralizing technology, residual malodors can be eliminated and a clean, fresh fragrance provided. The Actichem Elimotech chemistry includes this technology, which neutralizes malodors at a molecular level. Decontamination solutions such as PET and flood and diazyme include this Elimotech technology. Furthermore, they provide that replacement scent. If the urine stain is still present after the decontamination process, the use of hydrogen peroxide is normally successful. Hydrogen peroxide oxidizes the urine coloring called urochrome. This oxidization results in harmless residual elements and does not require rinsing. A 3 to 5% solution of hydrogen peroxide is generally sufficient. The formulated hydrogen peroxide solution, SpotAwayU and the Conqueror 2 are ideal for this application. For more information, tips and helpful downloads, check out our blog. Thank you.